Hey y'all, it's Momma D. How you doing today? I have got an amazing dip for you. For the holidays or just whenever you have a hankering. You get one of them great big bags of Frito scoops, and that's what we'll use. 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl. A half a cup of Velveeta cheese cubed. 1 cup of fiesta cheese shredded. And 4 slices of Swiss cheese. I put that in the bowl all together, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and melt it, and then I stir that all up. Then on top of that, I put 1 can. I drain the liquid off. I don't add it to the cheese. And I put the baby corn in the cheese mixture that I melted. And then I put 3/4 of a cup of bacon pieces on top of that. And then I have 1 can of hot dog chili. I used, of course, being from Detroit, Woodward Avenue chili. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. And then I'm going to stir that up. Y'all stir that up. And you mix it up real good until it's combined. And then I put some baby spinach. I put about 2 cups of baby spinach in a pan with just a little bit of water, and I boiled it until it was tender, and then I drained it for the most part, and I added that to our cheese dip and stirred it in. Delicious, y'all. Let me tell you something. On top of that, I put some green onions. I sprinkled green onions over the top, just to make it beautiful, and it adds to the flavor. And then over the top of that, I sprinkled some sweet Hungarian paprika. Paprika makes everything look pretty. And then you're ready to dip. When you dip, I dip, we dip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. You put your hand up on my hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Let's all dip, y'all. Dipping.